Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a 3D model from the existing 2D drawing with the help of FreeCAD tools like Extrude, Draft, Thickness, Pocket, Additive Pipe and Fillet. This is the exercise for today. We convert this 2D drawing step by step into this 3D solid part. These are the steps and the tools that I used to create this 3D solid part. In step 1, we sketch the middle section of the position 1 profile and create a solid part with the help of the Extrude tool. Activate the Sketch tool and then select the XZ plane. First sketch roughly the shape of the profile with the polyline tool and dimension it later. As you see, our sketch is full constrained. Select the sketch and then activate the Extrude tool. In the dialog window, activate the option Symmetric and extrude it by 80 mm. In step 2, we add a draft angle of 6 degrees to the right and the left faces. Select the left and right faces and then activate the Draft tool. Now press the Neutral Plane button and then select the upper face. Set the draft angle to 6 degrees. In step 3, we add fillets to the created part according to the drawing. Select simply the curved edges of both sides. In step 4, we set the thickness of the part to millimeters with the help of Part Design Thickness tool. Select the faces to remove and then activate the Thickness tool. Set the thickness parameter to millimeters. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. In step 5, we add a flange with a width of 12 millimeters to the created part. Activate the Sketch tool and then select the XZ plane. Let us create reference curves from the created part. Now select the sketch and then activate the Additive Pipe tool. Next, activate the Add Edge button and then select the edge. Apply this process to all edges. Now, we add fillets to the flange edges with a radius of 6 and 8 millimeters. Select the edge and then activate the Fillet tool. Set the fillet radius to 6 millimeters. Add a fillet with the radius of 8 millimeters to outer edge. In step 6, we remove material from the rear part of the created part with the help of the Pocket tool. Activate the Sketch tool and then select the XZ plane. Next, extract the reference edges to constrain the new sketch. Now, sketch roughly the shape of the profile with the polyline tool and dimension it later. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and then activate the Pocket tool. In the dialog window, select the option Symmetric and Through All. To finalize the 3D solid part, we have to create the 3 holes with a diameter of 8 and 28 millimeters. Activate the Sketch tool and then select the XZ plane. First, sketch the 3 circles and dimension them later. Select the 2 circles and then constrain them equal. Now, assign the dimensions. Now, the sketch is fully constrained. Next, select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then select the option through all. That is for today. Follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.